Hey, how are you doing, guys? I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to cook chicken handi, a popular Indian and Pakistani dish. And usually it is cooked in an earthenware called handi, but I do not have a handi, and I assume that most of us may not have it at home. So today I'm going to use a pan to cook it. It may not be 100% authentic, but it can be done. It is basically slow cooked chicken in a sauce that comprises of onions and tomatoes and varieties of spices. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing the chicken. This is chicken thigh meat. You can use chicken thigh meat or chicken breast, is really up to you. And you can also choose to use boneless chicken or chicken on the bone. Let's season the chicken with some pepper, and salt. Mix and leave it aside for about 30 minutes to let the flavor absorb into the chicken. Meanwhile, let's get ready other ingredients. This is cumin seeds. If you don't have cumin seeds, you can use a ground cumin or cumin powder and to add it to the chicken in the later stage. Then onion. I've cut the onion into small pieces so that it is easier to disintegrate while cooking. Some chopped garlic and ginger. Just use ginger garlic paste to substitute the chopped ginger and garlic if you have it. Some chopped tomato and some tomato paste to enhance the flavor. I've also prepared some ground spices, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. And then yogurt, cream, coriander, some green chilies, and lastly, dry fenugreek leaves. Once we got all these ingredients ready, now we can start to cook the chicken handi. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the cumin seeds over low heat. When it starts to bubble and turn aromatic, add the onion. Continue frying the onions until the onion turns soft, and meanwhile add the chopped garlic and ginger. Cook for a few minutes or until the onions start to change color. Then add the marinated chicken. When the color of the chicken has changed, add the ground spices, turmeric powder, chili powder, and the coriander powder. Mix well. Let the spices cover all the chicken pieces. Next, add the tomato and the tomato paste. Continue cooking until the oil starts to separate from the masala. Now it's time to add the yogurt. Mix and then continue cooking again. Then add some water and some green chili cut into half and remove the seeds so that it's not so spicy. Now cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes over low heats. Now open the lid. Wow, it's pretty nice. And I have a few more ingredients to add. That is the kasuri methi, the dry fenugreek leaves, some garam masala, and about 3 tablespoons of cream. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Meanwhile, do a taste test. It's really nice. Just need a little bit of salt. Add the chopped coriander leaves. And the chicken handi is ready. Garnish with some coriander leaves and some green chili. Serve it with chapati, naan or biryani rice. It's heavenly. That's how to make chicken handi, a popular dish that I nearly eat every day when I was in Pakistan recently. And I have included the recipe in the description box below the video. Please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.